Good to be back with you guys. This is part 2 of mobile security. Now, there's permissions that come with apps as well. So if you see up on the top, you can actually, when you go and look at these apps in the Google Play Store, you can see what the permissions are. And these are the things that the functionality it needs to do what it's meant to do. Okay, I'll give you an example. So over here, this is a battery supercharger app. Now, can you guys, I'll take a moment, can you guys look and see what is wrong with this? Look at the permissions. Do you see that? Services that cost you money. Send SMS text messages. Or like right up here, your messages, edit SMS and MMS, read. Like, what is this? It's a battery app, supercharger. What is it? Why is it trying to send SMS text messages that cost me money? Okay, so it's these permissions I want you to take a very close look at when you're downloading these apps. Now, these apps these malicious apps that get downloaded to your phone, many of them, they'll do key logging. There might be banking trojans that we talk about, or crypto miners that we talked about. They'll spy on you. They'll listen to your phone calls or texts. But a lot of them also, what they'll do is they'll send text messages to premium rate numbers usually in other countries that cost you like $5 a pop. So you'll get your bill at the end of the month and you're like, oh my God, it's like $5,000, okay? So this is what they're doing. They're trying to monetize off that. So be very careful again when you're going through all these permissions. Find out, okay, why are you asking for these extra permissions? I don't get it. And there's another way these guys are getting around Google, because Google has this thing that's called Play Protect, and it's scanning the Google Play Store constantly and trying to find malicious apps, okay, which is really good. I'm going to talk about Google Play in a moment. And what they do is they will hide this evil code in the app, but they will make it dormant. So Google Play Store, the Google Play Protect will scan it. It won't catch it, and then when you download it, it'll have a timer, and then 2-3 weeks later, all of a sudden it wakes up, that malicious code, and it'll ask for extra permissions, like, hey, can I send text messages, or hey, can I do whatever? And you're like, yeah, sure, okay, why not? I don't see the harm in that. Game over. So we call them droppers. Be very careful about that, where it'll initially look benign, but then immediately after several weeks, it'll wake up. So beware if it asks for extra permissions after the fact,